Hey foodies, welcome to Reshida Cooking Star. Today we are making this pasta in home. This is Indian Desi style pasta. You can easily make this in about 5 minutes if you have the pasta ready. So let's get cooking. For making the street style pasta, first we will boil water. I am taking 1 liter of water. Along with the water, we will add salt to boil the pasta. As the water is boiling, let's make the sauce for it. Here I have a mixer jar. In this we will take 3 tomatoes, basically 1 cup of chopped tomatoes, 4 to 5 dried red chilies and about 10 cloves of garlic. Now I am taking salt as per taste. Then we will cover the jar and make a chutney out of this. The tomato is not very red in color, the chutney won't be red in color. You can add some more of the red chili powder or some red food color to make it red. Here I am taking about 1 more tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder. And now I am going to blend it once. And our chutney for the momos or the pasta is ready. You can see that the texture is perfect. The chutney is ready. Now let's get back to the boiling water. I am taking 2 cups of the pasta. This is penne pasta or basically piped pasta. Then boil it until they are soft. Boiling this will take about 10 minutes. We don't want al dente pasta. Right now we are making Indian style pasta. So for this we have to make it super soft. The pasta is done. Now turn off the flame and then strain it. After straining also you don't have to cool it down with some cold water or apply some oil. This is ready to be used, so add it to the saucepan or a kadai. Along with this we will add a few more ingredients like capsicum right now. I am taking 1 medium sized capsicum which is cut into long pieces. Salt as per taste. And then we are going to take magic masala. The masala I am using is 1 sachet. Now I am taking 1 teaspoon of oregano mix. Now we are going to add main ingredient which is oil. So about 2 tablespoons of oil has to be added. And this would ensure the masala are well coated with the pasta. Finally, let's add the garlic chili sauce, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of that at first. And then we are going to mix it. In high flame, we have to cook the pasta for about 3 to 4 minutes. As we stir fry this, you will notice how the pasta begins to shine and the capsicum will also get more shinier. At that point, this is done. We don't have to overcook anything. This is exactly the way Italian like it in terms of sauce and the texture of the vegetables, but totally Desi style in terms of flavor. Let's serve it hot. Also pack this for lunch if you want to. So I am serving this with a sprinkle of oregano mix. And on top of that about 1 teaspoon of mayonnaise. And finally goes in our half a teaspoon of garlic chili chutney. And now it is ready to eat. If you enjoyed today's recipe, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.